Most people believe financial stability requires complicated strategies, expensive investments, complex budgeting systems, or a very high salary. But when you look closely at people who are actually financially stable, something surprising appears. Their money life is usually simple, not flashy, not complicated, just a few clear minimalist rules they follow every single day. Today, we'll look at minimalist money rules, simple habits that remove noise, reduce stress, and quietly build stability over time. Watch till the end. You'll see why simplicity makes managing money easier. These rules help ordinary people stay financially stable. Once you see them, you may realize how simple money can actually be. But first, let's look at a common situation. Meet Daniel. Daniel works a normal job. He earns a decent salary. Not rich, but not poor either. Yet every month feels stressful. Bills arrive, unexpected expenses show up, and his bank account always feels fragile. If his car breaks down, if his phone stops working, if a medical bill appears, everything becomes stressful. And Daniel always asks the same question: why does money always feel unstable? The problem usually isn't income. The real problem is complexity. Too many subscriptions, too many unnecessary purchases, too many lifestyle upgrades. Money becomes messy, and messy systems create financial anxiety. Minimalist money rules solve this problem. They simplify your financial life. Let's start with the first rule. Rule number 1. Spend less than you earn always. This sounds obvious, but many people break this rule slowly. Not with big purchases, but with small lifestyle upgrades. A slightly nicer apartment, a slightly newer phone, a few more subscriptions. None of these feel dangerous, but together they quietly erase your financial stability. People who are financially stable protect this rule like a boundary. Their lifestyle always stays below their income. This creates breathing room, and breathing room is the foundation of financial stability. Now let's talk about the second rule. Rule number 2. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Meet Emma. Emma got a promotion at work. Her salary increased. At first, she felt excited, but within months, something strange happened. Her expenses increased too. A better car, more expensive restaurants, more shopping, and suddenly her financial life looked exactly the same as before. This is lifestyle inflation. When income grows, expenses grow with it. Minimalist money thinkers do the opposite. When income increases, they keep most of their lifestyle the same. The extra money goes towards savings, investments, or financial safety. This is how stability grows quietly over time. Now here is rule number 3. Build a simple emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Cars break, jobs change, unexpected bills appear. Financial stability isn't about avoiding problems, it's about being prepared for them. Most financial experts recommend keeping 3 to 6 months of living expenses saved for emergencies. This recommendation is widely discussed in financial planning resources. Organizations like the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau and the Federal Reserve highlight it. They emphasize that emergency savings are a key part of financial resilience. An emergency fund acts like a financial shock absorber. When something goes wrong, your life doesn't collapse. You simply handle the problem and move forward. This one rule alone can reduce a huge amount of financial stress. Now, before we continue, a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only and is meant to explain general personal finance concepts. It is not financial advice. Everyone's financial situation is different. If you need specific guidance, consider speaking with a certified financial professional. Now, let's continue with the fourth rule. Rule number 4. Focus on long-term stability, not short-term excitement. Many people chase financial shortcuts, quick investments, trendy side hustles, fast money ideas. But long-term financial stability rarely comes from sudden moves. It usually comes from boring consistency, saving regularly, investing patiently, avoiding unnecessary debt. Research on long-term investing shows an important trend. Historical stock market studies, including S&P Dow Jones indices, support this. Long-term investing tends to outperform frequent trading for most investors. The key idea is patience. Small actions repeated for years become powerful. Now let's talk about rule number 5. Simplify your financial life. Meet Sarah. Sarah used to feel overwhelmed by money. Multiple bank accounts, different credit cards, subscriptions she forgot about. Her finances felt confusing. So she made one simple decision. She simplified everything. One main spending account, one savings account, automatic transfers, minimal subscriptions. Suddenly, money became clear. When systems are simple, mistakes decrease, and consistency becomes easier. Minimalism is not about having less money, it's about removing unnecessary complexity and focusing on what actually builds stability. Now here's the final rule. Rule number 6. Consistency matters more than perfection. Many people believe they need the perfect financial plan, the perfect investment strategy, the perfect budget. But perfection is not required. Consistency is. Saving a little every month, spending thoughtfully, avoiding unnecessary debt, doing these things again and again, year after year. This is how financial stability grows, slowly, quietly, almost invisibly at first, but over time, the results become powerful. Now here's the truth most people discover too late. Financial stability is rarely built through dramatic moves. It's built through simple rules repeated consistently. Minimalist money rules remove distractions, they reduce stress, and they allow your finances to grow in a steady, predictable way. If you're watching this and your financial life feels complicated, maybe the solution isn't more strategies, maybe the solution is fewer rules. Clear rules, simple rules, you follow every day. And if there's one idea to remember from this entire video, it's this. Money becomes stable when your financial life becomes simple. No noise, no chaos, just clear habits repeated over time. Because in the long run, simple money rules often create the strongest financial future. If this video helped you see money differently, consider subscribing for more simple ideas about wealth, psychology, and financial habits. And remember, you don't need a complicated system to build a stable financial life. Sometimes a few simple rules are more than enough.